Did you know that you can make $620 in one day? Just by clicking. If not, I will show you how today. This is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $620 just by clicking. I will teach you how you can earn from this on autopilot, so you will earn even more money without any work. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making money by clicking on the internet. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from this website. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 for you will be to go to google.com, and you need to open up this website, which will pay you just to click online. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description. For now I will just leave this website and we will come back to Google because we need Google now. When you come over to Google, step number 2 for you will be to type in Payer. When you hit enter, Google will show you these results. I want you to click on the first result. Here, it will send you to this page where it says your multi-currency Payer account. If you don't have a Payer account, you will need to create an absolutely free one, because Payer is the easiest way to cash out your earnings from the website that I will show you today. To create an absolutely free account, you need to click on the green Create Account button here. It will then send you to this page where you need to enter your email address in. After that, you need to confirm your email address and then click on Create Account. It will take you to step 2, which is to create a password, your secret code in account name. Make sure to write down this info to not lose it. After that, you need to click on the next button and it will take you to this page where you need to put your name, last name and country. When you finish that, you just need to click on done and you will be sent to the dashboard of your new account on Payer. Now you have your own Payer account and you are ready to receive payments to it. Make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss this huge opportunity where I will show you how to get paid to click online. Now let's earn some money. Step number 3 will be to go again to google.com. When you are there, in the search bar I want you to type PTC Share. Just like this. When you click enter, you will be sent to this page where you will see the results for PTC Share. I want you to click on the first result and you will be sent to this page. This website will pay you every day just to click with your mouse. First of all, I want to show you that this is worth your time, so I want to show you payment proofs from this website, which you can access right from here. And that will take us to this page where you can see people from all over the world receiving payments from this website every single minute and every single day. As you can see, they are paid through different payment options, and one of them here is Payer, which I highly suggest because it's the fastest here. And you can get paid in cash, crypto and etc. As you can see, you can withdraw immediately from this website earnings as low as 10 cents, and you can spend it immediately on whatever you want. Now, before I show you how you can sign up for this website and start making money immediately, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell.